Harris and Bergeron database overview. We're now going to look at Encyclopedia Britannica, which is a great database when you need generalized information. The username for this database is Americas and the password is library. So we'll choose our level. So we'll click on high school to get started. And we're going to look up genres in this particular database. So Harris Bergeron is an example of two different genres, satire and dystopian. So let's look at satire for this example. Several features I'd like to share with you on this database that are really nice is you can also drill down the text. You can condense it. So it opens up to reading level 3, but maybe you're in a hurry. Maybe you only have just a short amount of time, but you need the information quickly. So I can choose to condense my text down to a reading level 2, and it's still the same article. It's just been simplified a bit. So that's kind of a nice feature for you to be able to control your own reading levels. But let's go back to reading level 3. Another feature that's super awesome in this database is it has an embedded dictionary. So as you're reading along and you come across perhaps a term that you're not familiar with, you can double click on the word and a dictionary definition will pop up. It'll also provide for you an example on how to correctly pronunciate the word, and it also has a Spanish feature. So maybe you're like, I wonder what the Spanish counterpart to this word would be. It does provide that for you too, which is really nice, especially since we live in such a bilingual community. So I'm going to close the dictionary. And the next feature I want to show you is you can also have the articles in Britannica read to you. So you can choose this text-to-speech feature, and you can have, and the text will read to you as and then highlight as you go along. Nice feature. So follow along for this activity and what you're expected to do, and kind of just getting familiar with Encyclopedia Britannica.